The one question that comes to everyone's mind, whether they are a student or an employee in any other field except IT sectors, that is it really that important to code? What if I don't want to code? Will there really be a problem to me? In this video, I'll discuss with you the most practical and the most logical answers to all these questions. So I'm Divyanshu and you're watching Divyanshu Decodes. So without any more delay, let's get started. 5 years down the line, will the world be same as today? What do you think of it? India is changing rapidly. The world is transforming on a pace that you cannot imagine. Everything is gonna be in automation. Automation means using a technology to complete a task in little amount of time with little human involvement. And yes, that's why machines will replace humans for many jobs. Not all jobs, I'm not talking about that. But in some cases, because the logic is quite clear. If there is an easier way to do a task, why will somebody go on to complete that task in a way that is more time consuming, right? So in coming some years, I think 60 to 70% of workforce of today will be replaced by machines. And in that case, only those people will survive who are expert in handling those machines or very good in communicating with computers. So to communicate with computers, you need to have the knowledge of programming. I don't say you need to be an expert in coding, but to survive, it is a must-have skill. Whether you are from a tech background or from a non-tech background, learning to code will prove to be the most beneficial decision for you. But if you are from a non-tech background, things will be a bit difficult for you at the starting time, but you can learn. It is not impossible. And the best part is that there are a large number of free resources available from where you can learn to code. The courses are available on various websites like Gigs4Gigs or Stack Overflow and so on. Also, there are a large number of playlists of courses available on YouTube. Mind you, these courses are free in terms of price, but the content is absolutely premium. So go and get benefited from the available resources. Still, if a question like this is popping into your head that why should I learn to code? Is it really that important? Then in that case, I'll tell you one thing. Observe what's happening in your surrounding. Is there a change that you observe? Earlier when we had to read, we used to purchase so many books to learn something or to pass the exam. But now we have ebooks, we have audiobooks available. For education, there are various online platforms that provide you premium level of education. All you need is to have a laptop or phone and an internet connection. Now for almost every problem, there is an app available. Okay, do you believe in astrology? Do you need to contact an astrologer? No problem, there is an app available for that, like AstroYogi, AstroLove. Do you have an extra amount of money and you want to invest somewhere? No problem. There are many apps where you can invest your money and your money will be safe. You don't need to even contact a broker. The changes can easily be observed. All these changes make your task easier. Mind you, all these applications are coded. Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, there is a code that runs in the backend of these applications. You see, there is always an update in all these popular apps. Update brings to you a better look of the application or some extra functionality gets added to the application, right? So whether you talk about look and feel or the extra functionality, in all these cases, there is a script of code that is written. And when this code runs in the backend, the extra feature appears to you. Now the question comes down to, do I need to learn a lot to be a developer? Yes, you need to learn a lot if you really want to opt this as a career. But for those of you who are from non-tech background and you're planning to do a job in your own field, then what's the point of learning to code there? Well, in order to answer your question, let me tell you once again, coding is a very handy skill that you must have. Imagine yourself being in a group of 10 people. 9 of them know how to drive a car and you don't know. So what will be their reaction? Will you not be embarrassed? Since driving is so common that it is assumed that everyone should know this. And in fact, everyone knows this. But some of them who don't know this, they are the exception. So if you learn how to drive a car, doesn't mean you are gonna be a professional driver. Sometimes you learn something for your betterment, for making your own task easier. Professionals are there to handle tasks on a much larger scale. So you must learn to code, at least for yourself, for making your own task easier, for making yourself more valuable in the market. Imagine people of India 10 years ago. Those who didn't learn English at that time, things are difficult for them today. English doesn't assure you a job. It doesn't assure you an income, but it is the most important thing in every job sectors. I tell you, similar case is gonna be with coding 5 years down the line. If you understand it early and start working, things are gonna be safe for you. Or else, I don't want to say anything. See, there was a saying like, if you work hard today, your tomorrow is gonna be safe. No, this is wrong. This is absolutely wrong. The right thing is, if you work hard today, keeping in mind what's gonna work tomorrow, then only your tomorrow will be safe. Okay people, I hope now you understood everything. You might agree or disagree with my logics. Comment down your thoughts. And if you got any value out of this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video for sure. Till then, take care of yourself, be happy, be positive.